Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about lamp-wick quartz for Ultrafryer part number 18084. Lamp-wick quartz for Ultrafryer part number 18084 is a replacement part for the Ultrafryer commercial deep fryer. It is a quartz lamp that provides heat to the fryer. The quartz lamp is designed to be durable and provide consistent heat for optimal frying performance. The part number 18084 identifies this specific lamp as being compatible with the Ultrafryer commercial deep fryer. This lamp is an essential component of the fryer and should be replaced when it fails or becomes damaged in order to ensure optimal performance of the fryer. This part fixes the following symptoms. This quartz lamp is a replacement part for an Ultrafryer and would be used to replace a malfunctioning or broken lamp. It would fix the symptom of the Ultrafryer not producing heat or light. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the lamp and quartz for Ultrafryer part number 18084. 2. Turn off the power to the Ultrafryer before beginning installation. 3. Remove the old lamp and quartz from the Ultrafryer by unscrewing it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new lamp and quartz for Ultrafryer part number 18084 in its place, making sure to secure it tightly with screws or bolts as instructed in the installation instructions. 5. Connect the electrical wiring to the new lamp and quartz as instructed in the installation instructions. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.